Rivers are like restless travelers. They carve beautiful curves, then vanish, leaving behind lonely lakes. Today, we'll explore these ghostly oxbow lakes, how they form, why they matter, and the stories they hide. Last time, we saw how rivers bend. Now let's discover what happens when they abandon their curves. Spoiler, it's a breakup story with a happy ending for nature. See this horseshoe-shaped lake? It's called an oxbow lake. Long ago it was part of the river, but the river moved on, leaving it behind, like a forgotten path. Imagine a river bending so much it forms a U. Then one day, it shortcuts the curve, like cutting a knot. The old bend becomes a lake. Simple, right? Let's break it down step by step. First, the river loves to bend. Over decades, it carves deeper into the outer banks, undercut slopes, and drops sediment on the inner bends, slip-off slopes. This makes the loop grow bigger and bigger, like a coiled snake. But here's the twist: the neck of the loop, the narrow strip of land between the two bends, gets thinner and thinner. Why? Because the river is always eroding outward. Then, during a flood, the river gets impatient. The water rises, gains speed, and slash, it cuts straight through the neck, abandoning the old loop. The abandoned bend becomes a lonely oxbow lake. Over time, the river seals the ends with sediment, trapping the lake forever. It's like closing a door on the past. See how the water ignores the curve and takes the shortcut? That's exactly what rivers do. No mercy for old loops. Oxbow lakes might look abandoned, but they're busy. They're biodiversity hotspots, safe places for fish to breed, birds to nest, and plants to grow. In the Amazon, 30% of all fish species depend on oxbow lakes. They're also farmers' best friends. The silt and clay left behind are full of nutrients, making the soil perfect for crops. Ancient Egyptians farmed near oxbow lakes of the Nile, and farmers still do today. Oxbow lakes are more than relics. They're life-giving, flood-fighting, soil-boosting wonders. They teach us that even when rivers move on, their past shapes our future. So let's protect these curved treasures, because every oxbow lake has a story to tell. Next week, we'll meet rivers that can't choose any path. Braided streams. Think of them as rivers with 1,000 personalities. Don't miss it.